Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing part 1 of my Nordstrom anniversary haul. So in this video I will be sharing one handbag that I purchased with you guys. I have a full guide on my blog of all of my favorite picks, including what was on my wish list and must-haves. So by the time I got to the store, I'm either an influencer or an icon level, I can't remember, but I was one of the last ones to shop, and almost everything on my personal list was sold out, or they didn't have my size, of course, and there hasn't been any restock. So that's why I'm saying this is part 1. I also want to go more in depth with the item that I purchased, and so part 2 will be another item that I purchased, and then if I get anything else by the time they open it up, because generally they do restocks, I will have a part 3. But yeah, I honestly got the 2 items that I was most excited about, and so I'm honestly fine with it because I just really wanted these 2 items. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to share the first item that I bought with you guys, and it is actually sold out, so I'm glad I was able to get it in time. So it is the Coach Pebbled Leather Crossbody. It is an anniversary sale, I believe exclusive. So if you've been following me for a while, I always get a new Tory Burch bag every year, and Tory Burch actually isn't on the handbag sale this year. And so if y'all saw my most recent bags technically unboxing, I actually have really been loving Coach lately, and I really just love this bag. And so it's definitely like the Coach version of the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis, and that, honestly, I've always loved that bag, but I just didn't want it in monogram, and y'all know I've been trying to like steer away from the monogram, and that's why I really love this Coach bag, because I feel like it's Coach quality. So it's pebbled leather and it's absolutely amazing, but it's very subtle, right? So you just have that C. I love the top handle. It's a crossbody, or you can wear it on your shoulder. If you've been following me for a while, my favorite part of bags is when they have an external pocket that I can just throw my phone into, and I don't have to open my bag, or I can just throw things in. So really love that. The size is amazing, and I think this is a really good, like, casual to going out bag, like a happy hour. If you, I wouldn't say, you know, like a nice dinner, but it's definitely a great bag that if you're like shopping and you want to go into a nice restaurant and eat, or you want to go to happy hour, I feel like it's the perfect bag. And the size is incredible. So this, on August 1st, if you're unaware of the Nordstrom anniversary sale, it's technically a reverse sale. So all the new fall items come in store and they put them on sale to celebrate their anniversary, and then prices go up on August 1st. And so this bag is on sale for $199, and it will go up to $350, so it's 42% off on August 1st. So it is a great buy. I was honestly looking at the white one as well, but I just really loved the black, and I just thought this would go a lot more with my outfits, and honestly it looked really good with the things that I have in my cart. But I was really having a hard time deciding between the black and the white, and the black's completely sold out, so I think a lot of people are getting it, so it kind of made me want to get the white. But it was like multicolor, and as y'all know, I just got a multicolor Coach bag, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get the black. And I also feel like I'm kind of glad that I got the black, to be honest with y'all, just because I feel like it's more versatile. And honestly, when I saw it, because I didn't order pickup, so I made sure that I got it, but I was just in love with it. So yeah, a little chatty information about the bag. Let's go into information. So this bag measures 10 inches in length, 10 inches in length, 7.25 inches in height, and then it's 1.75 inches in depth. The handle drop, so right here, is going to be 1.25 inches, and I'm going to assume that's at its top. And then you have a 22-inch strap drop. And then you have a fold over flap with a twist lock closure. And when you open it up, you have that beautiful Coach material inside. Here is the strap. So it has very sturdy hardware, which I really love the detail of this hardware and how it looks. Let's see, it comes with a dust bag. Oh, which is cute because none of my other ones have come with dust bags. And then you have 2 smaller pockets in the front and in the back. The main compartment has the Coach tag, and then you have a full zip inside of here. I'm also trying to take things out. And you have a full pocket on the inside as well. And then again, you have that full exterior pocket. And so, and then you also have your Coach tag that all of Coach bags come with. And yeah, that is the Coach Pebbled leather handbag. Again, y'all, this was my top item that I wanted. I really loved the style. I think it's different than everything that I have in my collection. My husband will probably say otherwise. But I just love it. The leather is amazing, and I just think it's such a great bag. So that was my top item on the Nordstrom anniversary sale. So happy that I got it before it sold out. And now to share, oh, and then here's the price tag too, it's already on here. But now to share what fits. So I generally carry a few of the same items. So I have my Chanel card holder. I didn't bring a lot because I have been traveling. I have my Chanel card holder. I have my AirPods that I keep in this Gucci key pouch. And then I have my sunglasses from Chanel as well. And these were right now have been the main things. I also have my cosmetic holder. I highly doubt it'll fit. Actually, it might fit. We can try it out. But I hold all of my essentials in there. So to show you how it fits, we will put the sunglasses in the main compartment, AirPods tucked away in here, and then we can put the wallet up top and it will close. But honestly, I don't know if I would do that. I'd probably put that in here and it'll still close so it can expand. And then, I'm trying to see. I don't know if I would honestly bring the cosmetic pouch with this bag, but just for reference, this is the Gucci medium size cosmetic pouch. And it's full. If you wanted to bring it, you could. I would probably use a card holder with this since it's so bulky. And you put the sunglasses there, and then a card holder could fit in here. But then you could fit it if you need it. And yeah, other than that, that is the Coach Pebbled leather handbag, and that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.